Here's another example of a multiple choice question. How much is earned on $300 deposited for 30 months in a savings account, paying 7.75% simple interest annually? The formula: interest is equal to principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time, or I is equal to PRT. So with this formula, you should be able to solve this. Take out your pen and paper and do the calculation. You have 1 minute. Time's up. Which one did you choose? A, B, C, or D? I'll make a note of that. Now this problem is very simple to solve. I is interest, the amount of interest earned. And you have the formula: principal by rate multiplied by time. So you look for the values, but for example, on $300 deposited, $300 is the principal, the rate is 7.75%, and the time is 30 months. So applying that formula, you will get I is equal to 58.13. Did you get that? Great. Now we've created an app that contains dozens of interactive quizzes like the one you saw before. This is when you start the app. This is the interface you will see. Multiple choice practice quiz questions. You get your instant score and feedback when you answer a question. It's timed. You see the list of the contents and the topics that are covered. Now the multiple choice questions are similar to those that come in the CXC examination. Some are based upon past CXC math papers. And as you know, paper 1 contains 60 multiple choice questions, so you get lots of practice. Here's an example of a quiz solved for the terms of R and S in the equation. You choose your button, you click on a button, you make your choice, and you get instant feedback whether you're right or wrong. At the end of the set of quizzes, you'll get your total score and feedback, and you'll get the opportunity to review the quizzes to see what you got right and what you got wrong. Now in order to get the app, you need to send an email or call this number. Remember, call or send an email if you are in Guyana to get a version of the application. There are two versions of the application: the trial version and the full version. The trial version is free. We'll send you a link to download the trial version so that you can practice. Enjoy.